Hey guys, I just installed the cold air intake if you watched my last video, and right now I'm going for a short drive to see if I can tell a difference. I really want to hear the Supercharger whine, and obviously the exhaust will be a little bit louder, so we're just gonna see what it sounds like. Massive Supercharger whine. That is awesome. Let's see if you can hear it from the inside. I closed the windows that time, so hopefully you can hear it on the video a little bit better, but man, you can hear it, that's for sure. Sounds awesome. So far, my impressions of the Roto-Fab intake are great. I mean, before this intake, there was no Supercharger whine whatsoever. This car is so quiet, you know, and the intake has made a massive difference. And I can't wait to get headers and some other things to really open this car up, because it's so quiet and it really just needs to